Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Amazon over-ear headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily rename this device on your iPhone. So at first we have to scroll down to a control panel, then we have to click on our folder where Bluetooth is located. Now we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to click Bluetooth settings. And now we have to go into our device information by clicking this info button over here. Now as you can see name, we have to click on it. And now we can change our name. If you are done, we just have to click done. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.